Alright guys, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 986. It's Playbook with Let's Make a Deal and Pack Wars. So here we go, the players tonight. Rich and Todd and Brian and Rich and Patrick and Bill and Jack and Aaron. And oh, Bill's back live, so I have to do the Kill Bill theme. So there you go. And Patrick and Jack and Aaron and Patrick and Aaron. Aaron got the ninja. Expensive ninja. Aaron and Jack and John and Aaron Boney. Patrick, Aaron, Todd, Aaron, Steve, and Wes got in at the end. Aaron, your bids went really high, so I'm tossing you a couple cards. I don't know why you guys bid so high on those things, but you're building up the pot for everybody. I appreciate that. You're going to get a Christopher Steeg 1 of 1 from Titanium. You're going to get a Jesper Fast Icy Inscriptions. And I got a card you might like. I don't know if you have it. Boring single white patch, but it's your boy Adam Henrique. Signature patches from this year's cup, I think. Oh, 12-13 the cup. There you go, Adam Henrique for you. Hopefully you don't have that one. And Aaron got the ninja, so we're going to pull 12 darts. So you guys go smoke them if you want them. Got them, and a little while as I pull Aaron 12 darts here. See what she gets. 111. Aaron just cashed out a box of Crown, but I don't have any on stock, but I'll add these darts after I cash out your Crown. 777. Oh, you got a pack of Elites. Let's pulled a pack of Elite for a while. Single bull. Single 17. Triple 11. Halfway there almost. A triple 17, so there's 6. Those aside. 6 more for Aaron. Triple 18. Double 14. It's going to be a lot more fun when I get the electronic darts installed. Double 1. Double 7. Oh, hey, you got the 3. I don't know if you need it or not. You got it. And 2 more. It's like a $40 value. And if you spell it 643, you'll get that nice 24 mem card, rookie mem card on the wall right there. And a double 12. You did okay. And an elite pack. I forget. This thing over there. We have an elite pack here. Terry needs the 3 and the 4. Todd needs the... Oh, Todd just won it. Elite Series, number 4 of 6 of Sidney Crosby. Alright. Shenanigans done. Let's get on with the box. Ending in... Wow, really? Ending in 361. Yeah, you got a Patrick. It's ending in really, yes. It actually says really. NE1376, really. Yeah, you got that Patrick Wall magnet. It's pretty cool. I like that one. It's one of the better magnets that was in there. It's ending in 88888 quadruple Lindros box. Looks like we have 4 cards. Boo. On the front for the Toronto Maple Leafs, ending in 249. Doug Gilmour base card. What a Steve. And Steve's going to like this one too. I just don't happen to like Jonathan I Suck Bernier, let in a soft goal every game. Number 58 of 99 autograph. We got a mem card for Aaron. Ah, nice. The New York Rangers, it's Pavel Bure. Pavel Bure mem card. Sweet. And the booklet's going to Aaron too, and the LA Kings of 199, Tyler Toffoli, who is one heck of a good player. 2 black jerseys and auto. Ooh, Bill is booing. And we have, what am I doing? Oh yes, that's the box. So we're going to do Let's Make a Deal. And you see there's not a lot of Aaron on this sheet. And we have a good prize tonight. We only have one prize before we get to Pack Wars. And I'm going to spin the wheel. Somebody's going to win it. Yeah, but Aaron has, she won like 9 hobby boxes the last while. Or something like that. It's been pretty awesome for her. So, spin the wheel. Who's going to win the prize? Grand prize. This isn't for Pack Wars. This is for Let's Make a Deal. The Tampa Bay Lightning. And Steve. Couple Leaf cards in the break, and you got Tampa. There's a good prize tonight. Normally, I don't, I like to split up the prizes a bit, but I just don't have much in stock right now. So you're actually getting an awesome prize. So Steve's not here, so I'm going to roll the dice for door number 1 or 2 or 3. But actually, I'm not even going to bother because they're all the same thing. Steve, you won yourself a box of Dominion. Yeah, and that's why it says WoW Dominion on it, because you guys are going WoW too. There you go, Steve. Bing! Told you there's a good prize for somebody today. Steve will be happy. We'll open that up in the next video. We're going to do Pack Wars now. Steve, yeah, it's 3 teams near the ending. Made out very nice. So we're doing Pack Wars with Pinnacle. 11 people in this one today. The winner's going to get all the packs, all the cards inside that hits, and they're also going to walk away with this nice Rogie Vachon Brilliance autograph from the cup. Big old brick. It's a sweet card. There you go. That's the grand prize card right there for Pack Wars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shuffle the packs a bit. Yeah, they are thick, and a lot of those Brilliance autos have little scratches on them. Like, I haven't seen one that didn't have scratches on it, but that's just the way they are. But there's no cases for them to hold them, right? That's why it's sitting there in a sleeve. So there's our packs. Here's all our spacers with the dudes and dudettes on it. We're gonna... Oh, I forgot. Brian has a multi tonight. 3 boxes of Playbook. It just went live. Crap, I forgot. Todd, can you post it on the forum? I forgot all about it. It's sitting there with 30 teams that left. Remember, it comes with 5% back in Blitzbucks. So, do a cut. And we're going to pick a pack. And then, here we go. Bill, first pack. Aaron. Boney. Todd. Jack. John. Steve. Patrick. Brian. Rich. And the last spacer is Wes. There we go, guys. Starting with Bill. Bill is back. Let's see what he got. You got a Patrick Weirkott's rookie card. So I don't know if that'll hang on to the win, but the last pack wars I did with Pinnacle, a Brandon Saad rookie card actually won it. You can dream. You can dream. Yeah, it probably won't win, but you never know. Breakthrough, Clark MacArthur. So I'm going to say that the Weirkotch is still in the lead. Sorry, Aaron. Boney. Can we get Bill a miracle? It's a Colin Greening rookie card. And seeing that Greening isn't around and Weirkotch is actually playing a regular shift for Ottawa, the Weirkotch is still in the lead. Sorry, Boney. Todd, oh, you're going to get the rookie auto, Todd, or the private signings? Or a base pack that I just pulled for you? Sorry. No Landeskog. Thick pack for Jack. 28 left in the playbook. 19 left in my Dominion. Canvas Creations of Ovechkin. That's a close one. But, I don't know. I'm going to call that a tie with the Weirkotch. We'll spin it off later. Just because it's Ovechkin. Ovechkin insert versus a rookie card. Oh, this was John. You got a base pack. Sorry, bud. Steve, who just won some awesome Dominion box. And 27 now, Bill. Dominion box and a base pack for Steve. Patrick. That's a thick pack. We got a base pack. Brian. That'll learn you, eh, John? Brian. Oh, Brian just won it with a Dave Hansen autograph, unless I pull something epic. Dave Hansen, fans of the game, Detroit. Boom. Gonna make my job easy, I think. If Rich can beat that. Some kind of crazy double auto box here. It is a Al Montoya Rink Collection. And Wes, who actually won Pack Wars last night with a nice little booty. I think you got a mem card. Oh, game night jersey, 3-color of Dion Phaneuf. Not numbered, but it's the old veterans jersey. But the winner has been decided, ladies and gentlemen. It is our very own Bullwinkle, a.k.a. Johnny Canuck, a.k.a. Brian, the man with many names, is walking away with all these cards. Some Pinnacle cards, some more cards over here, some more cards here, and Steve is just going, hurry up and open my Dominion, man. There we go. Brian, Sunday night Pack Wars winner. Remember, you'll also get the Rogie Vachon Brilliance autograph. So nice of you, Todd. All right. Well, it's quick and dirty, this auction. One more thing to do. Steve, you won yourself a box of Dominion. So, pretty good. You can buy into a box break, spend $20 or whatever, Bill, and you end up with a box of Dominion. So here we go. Good luck to you, sir. I'll point out that I have another box of Dominion live right now with 19 teams left. It just went live. And Brian has one with 27 teams. The serial is obscured on this one. Brian has 3 boxes of Playbook up with 27 teams left. Yeah, I like Dominion. I would like be fainting if I ever won a box of Dominion anywhere. Wow. If I can ever get it open, it would be awesome. There we go. So I'm just going to pull this out. Get it out of there without hurting the cards. Toss it. So, like I said, guys, sorry, I wish I had more hobby boxes on hand. I would have made more prizes, but I think it's fun for people to have a shot at a big prize once in a while. Doesn't hurt. So we got, looks like 1 redemption and 6 cards. So I'm assuming it's a redemption because the edge is a little off. So we got base card of Adam Henrique out of 299. We got a base card out of 299 of Big Dustin Byfuglien. Or as those American baseball breakers say, Dustin Byfuglien. Oh wow, Aaron would have really loved this box because who wouldn't want a Marty Brodeur jersey out of 99? That is a redemption. Oh, nice. Nice little patch there. Cool. 3-color patch with a massively dinged corner of Jared Stahl. Look at that corner. That's just ridiculous for a new product like that. And the other one isn't so great either. A little rounded. With another patch. Oh, Jamie Oleksiak. Just straight white patch. This card is in better shape. And obviously this should be... Oh, Ice Level autograph booklet. Card number 10 of Ryan Murphy. It's a booklet of him skating over the camera on the ice. And has an autograph. And... Oh, yeah, the Big Feet booklet. So actually that's a pretty... Not a great box of Dominion. That box I have sitting on the table for bin right now. It's probably way, way better. But Steve ain't going to complain for his free box of Dominion. Thank you guys again for your support, and I'll see you again tomorrow night. I'm going to be doing another Let's Make a Deal, but I don't know what I'm doing yet because I have to get the package in, figure it out first. So have a great night.